Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of TricksToTips. This is part 5 of VS Code shortcut series. In this video we will learn 5 new tricks in the form of keyboard shortcuts to use VS Code effectively. So let's start. Today's shortcuts are a little bit interesting than the previous day's shortcuts. I hope you will enjoy the video. So first shortcut is control plus forward slash. What it does, it toggle line comment. So we can comment or uncomment a line using that. Suppose we are here in line number 5 and I'm pressing control plus forward slash, so the line gets commented. And if I will press control plus forward slash again, the line will be uncommented. The second shortcut is control plus T. So I press control plus T. You can see here we get a input panel. Whatever symbol we will write here, all the symbols will be shown below. So we can go to any symbol from here. Suppose we are writing a very long program and we have to go to a function which is written at the 500th line. Then how to reach it? The one option is just scroll down. Another option is using control and plus F, which I will discuss later. And one of the best option is using control plus T. Okay. And the next shortcut is control plus G. So go to line. We can go to any line. Like I am at line number 4 right now, and I'm pressing control plus G, and I'm entering line number H16. As I will press enter, we will come here. So I press enter, we come here. The next shortcut is control plus P. Using this we can go to any file which are opened right now. There are 3 files opened here. Right now I am working in editing TricksC, and I can use control plus P to go to any file without using mouse or cursor. So control plus, right now I'm here, you can see control plus P. You can see there are 3 files options. I can go to any file like this. And the another circuit, and the last circuit is control plus shift plus O. It will give a list of all the symbols. So control shift O. You can see all the symbols we have used are here. We can go to any one like this. Region to become here. So these are all the shortcuts for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to get more such informative videos, and don't forget to follow us on Insta, Twitter and Facebook. Links are in the description.